my name is Soren Iverson. I'm a product designer at Cash App, and today I'm going to show you how to view Figma prototypes on your phone. I'm going to be showing you how to do this on an iPhone, but Android users, don't worry. The process is pretty much the same, and there's a Figma app for you too. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do, if you haven't already, is download the Figma app. iPhone users, if you're following along on desktop, you can simply scan the QR code on screen and it'll take you to the App Store. Once you have the app installed, you'll need to log in. I've already logged in on my personal email, but any email associated with a Figma account will work. When you open the app, you'll land on a screen titled Recents. At the top, you'll see a carousel of your most recently accessed prototype, as well as a CTA to See All. This takes you to a list view of your prototypes listed in chronological order. Sometimes you want to view a prototype or design you're currently working on in Figma. This is called mirroring. I find this process especially helpful when I'm designing something and want to see how it feels on a phone in real time. You can do this by tapping on the bottom right navigation item titled Mirror. From here, you'll be asked to select a frame or component that you want to view. Choose the frame that you want to view and a button saying Begin Mirroring should show up. This will load your prototype or the screen you have currently selected. Sometimes I've noticed the app will get stuck on a certain screen. If this happens, just close the app and restart the mirroring process. Once you've opened up your prototype, there are a few different things you can do. First off, you can navigate the prototype. If you're not sure where to tap, tap anywhere on the screen and blue hotspots will temporarily appear. These are the parts of the screen you can interact with. If you tap the screen with 2 fingers and briefly hold, a menu will show up with more options. If you have a prototype with multiple starting points, you can select which one you want in the Flow section. To restart, just tap Restart. You can also do things like view the Figma file associated with the prototype, toggle hotspots on and off, share your work, or exit the prototype. One last thing I want to share with you is how to easily record a prototype of your work. To do this on an iPhone, swipe down on the top right part of your screen to bring up the iOS menu. Then tap the dot with a thin circle line around it. If you don't see this, you may need to add it in your settings. The button will count down from 3, and once the button changes to red, you're recording. Run through your Figma prototype as normal, and then tap the record button again to finish recording. It will save to your photos where you can edit and share your work. I hope this tutorial was helpful for anyone learning how to prototype and mirror their phone with Figma. Thanks for watching. Once again, I'm Soren, and I'll see you all in the next video.